Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm making orange and vanilla sheet cake with chocolate frosting. This delicious sheet cake has a delicious subtle orange flavor. Not too overpowering, but goes well with the chocolate frosting. Make this sheet cake for a potluck get-together holidays or a birthday, which is why I'm making this sheet cake. Okay guys, let's get started on making this orange and vanilla sheet cake with chocolate frosting. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Gently grease a 9x13 baking dish and set aside. In a large bowl, add 2 1/4 cups cake flour, 2½ teaspoons baking powder, a ½ teaspoon baking soda, and ½ teaspoon salt. Whisk together thoroughly and then set aside. To a 1 cup of whole milk at room temperature, add ½ cup of sour cream at room temperature. This is whole milk sour cream. Mix together thoroughly, and the best way to mix these together is using a measuring cup. Place the mixture to the side. Using a handheld or stand mixer, place 1 cup, that's 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature, and 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Using the paddle attachment, mix together at medium speed for 3 minutes. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl with a spatula. Do this at least twice to make sure mixture is well incorporated. Now add 2 eggs. I like to beat the eggs before I add them to the butter mixture. ½ tablespoon vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon orange extract. Mix at medium speed until well combined. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl at least once during mixing. Mixture should be light, smooth, and creamy. Now add half of the cake flour mixture and half of the milk and sour cream mixture. Mix on low speed just until combined. Do not overmix. Then add the remaining cake flour and milk mixture and mix until combined. The batter should be thick and smooth. After the batter is combined, use a spatula to make sure the batter is well incorporated. Spread the cake batter into the buttered 9x13 baking dish and smooth it out into an even layer as best as possible. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the top is lightly browned and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely on a cooling rack, and as the cake cools, let's make the frosting. In a large bowl, sift 4½ cups of confectioner's sugar and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. This is the cocoa powder without any sugar. If you don't have a 3/4 measuring cup, use ½ cup and a 1/4 cup to make the 3/4. After sifting, whisk together the sugar and cocoa to make sure it is well combined. Using a handheld mixer or stand mixer, place 2 sticks, that's 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter. Mix the butter at medium speed with a paddle attachment for about 2 minutes or until the butter is smooth, fluffy, and has a pale yellow color to it. After scraping the bowl, add the sugar and cocoa mixture. Mix on low for 30 seconds. Add half a cup of room temperature whole milk. Don't use skim or low-fat milk as the frosting won't be as thick and rich. 1 tablespoon light corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Mix on medium speed for 2 minutes. If you find the frosting is too thick, add a tablespoon of milk. The frosting is creamy, rich, thick, and delicious. I didn't need to add extra milk. This is one of my favorite things to do, frosting the cake. Let's go! If you have any leftover chocolate frosting, frost a batch of cupcakes. Look at that beautiful slice of cake. All right, I need to try this. Wow, this frosting is creamy, silky, chocolatey, and the cake, well, the cake has a moist, airy, buttery, and tender crumb. The orange and vanilla extracts in this cake make it super delicious. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love it. When you make this orange and vanilla sheet cake with chocolate frosting, comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.